We've been trying to eat more from the garden, so I'm out picking some herbs from the herb garden. My name is Davey. Life got crazy. I used to get around.
Traveling, he said.
Mama missed her baby. Now I'm back in town on the Carter's tiny homestead. We're gonna make a stew tonight. Well, not a stew. We're gonna boil some chicken and make a broth. And so I was like, well, let's add in a bunch of stuff. We're gonna use thyme, some rosemary, oregano. I think this one's rosemary. Oh wait, no, this one's rosemary. This one must be thyme? Wait. Italian oregano. I'm getting close to it. Oh wait, it's lemon thyme. I thought it tasted a little lemony. Lemon thyme. That's gonna be good with the chicken, lemon chicken. That sounds delicious. Rosemary. This one's oregano. I'm pretty certain. Ooh, the guy said you could eat these little parts. Oh wow. Oh, flower buds. Tastes like basil. Almost tastes like soap. It's kind of good actually. I'm gonna do a sprig of sage. This is our sage. I got it from the dollar store. It was a living root, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna replant it. I don't know if I like it, so I'm only gonna do a sprig of it. See if I can't pinpoint the flavor. It smells so good. Do you smell that, Mom? Can you smell it?
I don't fucking the I want to eat this bread.
We use a lot of olive oil.
I still think we should put some shells over there in that corner.
You should actually, because then you can get that off the countertop. You can raise it up.
This would be. Maybe we should
I need a lighter.
Himalayan salt. Oh, use the back stove, or will it make a difference?
Well, I think that's what you use it. Oh, you can use the back one. Yeah. Well, here I'll use the back one.
Only because I don't know why I always worry about Lonnie. She ain't even coming in here though.
Here, let's use some of that Himalayan salt.
Himalayan. This crap.
Himalayan sea salt.
Is that what it's really called? Himalayan salt?
Is that pink limit?
I was calling it something. Somebody's like, why are you calling it that? I was calling it Himalayan salt. Oh, I don't call it Himalayan. Oh, it's no different.
Isn't it?
It's still from Himmy.
Himalayan?
It's still from Himmy. Now, are you going to be able to play music over this while you do it? Because that's what the Tasty does. They just play music on theirs. Here. You let me work?
That's so funny. I do remember that.
That was not funny. I remember that. I was like, this was crazy. It was when you had just got out of cooking school, I think, didn't you? I don't really remember if you had just got out of cooking school. But I do remember you did that shit. I was like, this food. Oh, look at this bread.
Here, do it again. We'll put it on video. Here, do it again. We got it again. Yum. got something cooking up in the Carter's Tiny Homestead kitchen.
Cooking up some chicken, some.
Oh yeah, we ain't got no garbage disposal. So that means you can't put nothing down there.
Oh, I can't wait. I'm gonna eat this one. No bananas on it.
Here, we'll sit down together and eat one.
Yeah, you'll eat one.
I was gonna, should I darken it or I was gonna leave them like that? You want me to darken them?
Oh, they do smell delicious.
Doesn't it?
Well,
Ew.
what the heck?
That's the grease dripping from the...
Oh, I need to clean. Oh, let me get my. Get the hell out of there. We need to clean that. That's disgusting. Yeah, move your camera. Don't let anybody see that. Wipe that off real quick. Move your pot. Why did you aim that up there? You always want to show the embarrassing thing. It's not. Isabel's going to be so embarrassed too.
It's not embarrassing.
Yeah, it is.
It's great TV magic. Oh, Mom, we should try one of your baking soda ideas on it.
Alright, this is a whole separate video. I don't want you putting this in the video. That's so gross. That was very easily wiped. How come nobody ever wipes it?
I see it all the time, too, because I'm pretty tall. I should wipe it, because I'm tall. Do they come off?
I think so. I just don't know how to.
Oh, wait, I see a latch.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Wow,
Oh,
easy
snaps.
And all this stuff has been just
Been neglected. Oh, I feel bad about that. Who knew? Mom, how long have you guys lived here with this apparatus?
Usually, Isabel cleans it.
Oh.
I never thought about cleaning it. She always cleans and she cleans that hood thing when she got her.
I don't want her grains to get touched by it.
Oh, it was about to be touched by it anyway.
Yeah, that's true. It was because it was dripping.
How embarrassing.
You want some baking soda?
No, it's not even dirty. It's just, look it. See how easy it is?
Isn't that greasy?
Just to wipe it off. Yeah, I need some Dawn.
Don does get the grease out.
Yep, because nobody else will.
Oh, it's so good.
Alright. Maybe we should have a towel and dry these off so we can put them back up and do what we were doing. The real video. In the drawer over here. Where'd you go?
Where did you go, Dave? Where did you go? Where did you go, you little homo?
What?
Oh, no.
Look at this big water mess. I'm getting myself all... Oh. Flustered. Don't get... Look at all this grease.
Yeah, I need some baking soda.
Alright, get the baking soda. I just want to eat my cake. God, I know.
Do you know how everything turns into an event?
We were cooking and the grease was just hot.
It's so funny.
Probably gonna be dripping in your food. Really? You guys watched it?
Yes.
We did it right in front of us, which is
It's
how we
hilarious.
seen it. It wasn't hilarious. And David's trying to put it on camera. Tell him no. So everybody will look at us and think we're slobs. That's pretty funny.
Isn't it?
Pretty disgusting.
Dang it.
Everybody's gonna know y'all don't clean.
There's only two that are on there. So I don't care. Why is it on there?
Everybody's gonna know y'all dirty. Oh, I'm happy about that. I don't even know why I never even thought of it.
Well, you know why? didn't think about it.
Because you don't clean. Which muffin do you want? This one?
I want that one.
Here, see these three as well? That's for you to grow in the morning. This was mine. My cup of tea.
I still need to get that grater too back from back here.
Mom, don't eat it yet. I gotta record
I'm
you
not
eating
waiting. Oh, and yeah, that's phase 3 of our life. We got the drippy grease ass stove.
it.
Don't tell them what's behind there. My red knife probably is behind there.
How do you get this thing
I would
clean?
say good though. Why would someone be cutting way over there?
I don't know. Why is the cheese grater behind there?
Yeah, why is the cheese grater behind there?
She trapped it behind the oven. The stove. She did
And I
it.
watched it. I was like, oh my god. Look at it go.
You didn't try to stop it?
I was trying to put it inside. I was trying to take it out of whoever put it in this little holder. I'm like, that doesn't go in there. So when I pulled it up, I was trying to put it in this drawer. I pulled it up and bam, it fell right through there. I was like, ugh, this family get on my nerves. If they had never put it there, it would have never fell.
The crazy part is I probably put it there because that's where I usually put it.
I put it there because that's where I put it.
Oh.
It goes in the drawer. Metal goes in the drawer. Plastic goes in the container.
Oh, see, I didn't know. You didn't explain this at all. I just assumed all the things go right
Why
there.
I got to explain? You can look at it.
No, I didn't. I don't know how you organize. People organize differently. First of all, I wouldn't have any metal stuff.
And those dishes go over here in the basket from now on.
Yeah, but it's funny though, because everyone organizes differently.
That's why I don't clean.
That's not
It's
why.
it is
That
hard
is
though.
really not
We live
why.
with such people and people
That is not why he doesn't clean.
control. I totally understand it.
Stop it. Don't let him say that's the
No,
reason
I
why.
really do understand it though. I do, because when I remember when I was with Melba and Melba had things a certain way and did things a certain way, I used to feel really uncomfortable cooking or cleaning because I didn't know like how she wanted it or how she did it. But then she told me she didn't care, so then I just started doing it because she soaked her dishes and
And
For
we
hours
keep telling
and
her to
days.
stop it.
yeah, she
Oh, we've hated that our whole lives.
She just soaked her dishes.
Yes, and she shouldn't. It's disgusting. And then you gotta dip your hand in there 3 hours later in some cold
But she
ass.
said it would
grease
kill the
water.
germs because of the kids, you
It
know.
ain't killing no
Good
germs.
grandmother. She had some stuff. That didn't know.
We hated it, man, and we used to hate to be the one who had to clean the kitchen after she was soaked the dishes. Like, we gotta put our hand in it.
Yeah,
And it'd be all gunky and slimy and disgusting. It's like, Mom, please, don't help. She does that to this day. Melanie hates it too. Everybody hates it.
I don't want to do this anymore.
Yeah, that's for her. It always turns into something more.
I don't know how to get in here.
That zucchini bread is delicious.
It
and I use
is.
brown sugar, so I think it was less.
Nope.
At least a year.
Oh, was it?
I don't think so. I think it's the same difference.
It's not. People always say use brown sugar.
Well, I mean, sugar.
And it didn't taste as sweet.
Actually, yeah, that's I really appreciated that. It had more of
Bread.
yeah. I wasn't tasting like the Hostess cake. It wasn't all saturated
See?
with sweetness.
And
Yeah.
you could put nuts in it.
That would have been
Not
great.
for me, because I ain't doing that nothing. But you could put nuts in it, and it would be delicious bread.
I think the bananas being caramelized, like crunchy
Oh,
caramelized,
yep.
would be a nice
Oh, that would
addition.
be good.
Mm-hmm.
Even some raisins would have been good in there.
Mm-hmm.
I think I'm going to change and use brown sugar only for now on.
For your baking, yeah, and cut out the white sugar altogether. Because if you're gonna add a second sugar, maybe it should be like that turbinado stuff or
Wow.
turbinado,
What's that?
rock sugar.
Oh. Oh, what is that bag of popcorn mess you brought home?
That's what Miss Tills gave you.
Why?
That's what I said. Why is she giving away trash?
That's some old ass popcorn from 1990. I should make her a bread. Oh, she's so sweet. I think I'll make her bread, David.
Yeah.
We should have got her a zucchini, did her a zucchini plant.
Oh, yep. Mm-hmm. You got any more?
Okay.
Oh, we should give her a few pumpkins.
But Dina keeps telling me no.
Why?
But her son said he don't care.
Just let them grow.
I know. We could have a whole bunch of pumpkins over there for no reason, and then tell her she got a pumpkin field. We gonna come get some of your pumpkins.
Don't waste it all. Just let her use it all up.
I have more. It came in a set.
Oh.
It came with the second one. I don't mind it. I like really using this though. What's
I think we should get some more for once a month and clean that.
Yeah, we should. Last time I cleaned it wasn't that bad because I remember doing it and it was real easy. This stuff is stuck in a lot in the grooves. I don't remember how we got it out of the grooves the first time now.
Did it open up?
No.
Did you use a
I think we
tool?
soaked it in the bathtub. That's what I think.
Yeah.
Oh, I think we did. We ain't doing all that.
Yeah, I think we soaked it in the bathtub because it has screws to open it up if you do want to take it
That
apart.
sure was pretty darn disgusting watching that grease drip inside.
Yeah, that's pretty funny. That was like, oh my goodness.
And we're gonna end up needing a new microwave because that microwave is big and loud. Do we need a big microwave, you guys?
Like an industrial one?
No, because do we need a microwave that big? Remember Joshua bought that one that big? Or could we just get away with one of those little ones?
Probably a little more. We don't got that many people on microwave other than RJ and me sometimes.
Well, because we don't put food in it, we just warm up things. And
Yeah. And the stuff we warm up is usually leftovers.
No, get one of those pizza air fryers.
How you supposed to put a plate in that?
Well, how you supposed to boil water in a pizza air fryer?
On the stove.
Hi! Look at your face!
Require us to use the stove?
Lisa, baby.
How'd you get those chips? Go eat your nachos. Go eat the nachos. You're done eating the nachos? So now you're eating those chips?
You want some of Grandma's muffins? Want some muffins? Climb up in your high chair. I'll give you muffins.
Did you pee-pee?
There's like so many questions.
Alright. Climb up.
Come up in
Climb
your
up in your
high
high
chair.
chair. And Grandma will give you a muffin. Well, you ain't moved yet. You haven't said nothing forever.
Yeah, she's not in there earlier the other day when we did the video. For art class.
You want a muffin? Oh, yeah. Oh. Hold on, let me get you a muffin. It's yummy.
Oh, she did eat a lot of her nachos.
We make sisters. They can share one.
Did you eat your smoothie? Drink your smoothie?
It's warm. Not hot. You need help? Just take a bite. It's good. I already have one. Thank you. It's good. It's yummy, huh? Want me to take it out? Here, I'll take it out.
All right. Now we can go back to cooking. Say chic. Say chic. Freak out. Say chic. So chic. Say chic. So chic. Freak out. It's so chic. It's so chic. What other words?
Not yet. Those are the words to a song.
Mom, you can just make this into a one-pot meal. Let me just do it.
Go ahead. Oh my God, Scotty! I don't know why everybody messes with you, Scott. They don't realize this is kind of creepy.
Yeah, he is.
You're not like other dogs.
No, he is not.
I need a dog with pink stuff.
You want these potatoes in there?
Yeah, I like potatoes. Well, actually, though, if we're making rice.
They going in there. They gonna cook a long time too.
They say you can't put in 2 carrots. We'll put in 3.
Yeah.
We add corn.
These came from the garden. Cause you ain't this dead stinking ass chicken.
If you ain't got dead chicken, yeah, dead chicken. I need to go check on that plate. Otherwise, I'm getting dead duck.
Maybe this is a better idea. Scoop the rice out. Look at that shimmy and the shape.
My name is Davey, life got crazy, I used to get around. Mama missed a baby, now I'm back in town on the Carter's tiny homestead.